The government is announcing that President Emerson Mnangagwa will begin his annual vacation on Tuesday, December 31, 2024, but will remain in the country. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda atsanongora nevanhu vachiti aiwa panenge patova nemafikesi ekup up. Why is it? Mutungamiri wenyika ari pa State House. Sanapenda mashoko ambanyorwa panapa. Tobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivira pahendo aiwa Zimbabwe abudanyira achiti President spokesperson George Charamba made the announcement on Monday, fueling speculation that Mnangagwa is deeply concerned about a potential coup, especially from his ambitious deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Mnangagwa, who seized power from the late President Jim Mugabe in 2017 military coup, spearheaded by Chiwenga, has never taken leave outside Zimbabwe since assuming office. This decision appears calculated, reflecting fears that he could face the same fate as Mugabe if he were to leave the country, given the ongoing power struggles within the ruling party, the ZANU-PF. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's alliance has long been fraught with attention following Mugabe's ousting. Insiders reported an informal agreement that Mnangagwa would serve a single term before handing over power to Chiwenga. However, Mnangagwa's actions suggest he is determined to hold on to power beyond his 2 constitutional terms, sideline Chiwenga. The former military commander in the face of the 2017 coup Chiwenga is viewed by many as a powerful figure who commands significant loyalty within the security sector. His frustrations with Mnangagwa's broken promises are now public, with reports of heated confrontations and factions battles within the party. Tomashukwana budaito papanapa vanachona kuti awa vakomana votadza kunyatsosorera zvakanaka kune dzimwe nyika umozoti kuri luxurious nokuda kwokutya kwaostiwa. Hatidze mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro uchiitika ichi mune comment section yedu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.